Hey, it's Tabitha Caro, and I'm going to share with you how to use the Smart Mockups feature in Canva. It's a super cool way to take a screenshot that you have and turn it into a realistic mockup. So let's get started. Alright, first off, we're just going to do a simple Instagram square post, and then you'll want to definitely have a screenshot of a resource uploaded to your Canva account. So if you don't have that, you can go to camera roll after you've made the screenshot and add in that photo. But I'm going to go to where I know I have a screenshot of my computer of a digital product of mine. I'm going to insert that screenshot. Then while it's selected, I'm going to go down here and go to Effects. Then I'm going to go over here to Smart Mockup. Now they have, I guess these are maybe your most recent, but if you just continue to swipe through, you will see that they have a lot more, especially if you want to do just a computer mockup. So they have it with humans, and then they have just the computer by itself. So I'm just going to randomly select desktop 2 right here. If I tap on it again, I can either have my screenshot filling it, the whole screenshot of the whole desktop screen. I can have it fit, so make sure you can see all of my screenshot, but then you're going to have black margins if it's not an exact fit. Then you could do custom and change it a little bit. But I kind of think I'm okay with fill for now, and then you can use these handles to stretch it out. And if you want it to just fill the whole background, you can tap the 3 dots right here, go to set image as background, and now it has filled the whole screen and you are ready to download it to your phone. Let's try a phone screenshot. So a lot of times you can screenshot things that will be helpful for your business in just an iPhone screenshot format. So I am going to go to my TPT store, right, just in Safari. I'm going to go to most recent because I'm trying to promote this latest resource. Tap on it and do a screenshot. Now, one thing about the Smart Mockups tool is that you cannot do screen recorded video, which would be nice. You could just layer a screen recording video, now that I think of it, on top of what I just did. You could probably do that. But as far as the fitting, it may not be as natural as it's going to be with an image. So let's go ahead and upload that screenshot. We'll go to camera roll. And if you do not see it, sometimes you have to tap on recent again, and there it popped up for me. Add to page. You need to wait for it to completely download before you get the effects option. Now I have it. I'll tap effects, go to Smart Mockup, and let's find a phone one that I like. So maybe we'll just do this one. And tap done. I am going to tap the 3 dots. Let's set it images background. If you want it to go in even more, just double tap and squeeze in where really your product is the focal point. Now, if you have the Pro version, let's see if you can do a cutout of this if you don't want that background, but you want a different background. So we'll go back to effects, we'll go to background remover, and let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. Now the background remover feature, I do believe, is for the paid version of Canva. So now what you could do is, let's just make this a little bit bigger. You could save this as a transparent PNG and layer it on top of your product thumbnail or cover that you may have created anyway. To do that, if you have the paid version, you're going to go to download, transparent background, choose the page that you want, which is page 2, download, and now it's going to save this as a transparent PNG. You can overlay this onto another design. You can pop it into your stories as an overlay. There's a lot of uses I'm sure that you can come up with as for a mock-up of your resource using the Smart Mockup tool in Canva. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.